The Dow would have had a very bearish influence or assessment this morning, in that this was the first time since back a month and a half ago that when it closed on the T-line, it opened below the T-line the next day, exactly what it did today, which told us we could have a pullback, possibly all the way down to the 50-day moving average. However, once it opened and almost hit the 20-day moving average, there was some other things we could add to our assessment. And that would have been seeing that the NASDAQ opened right on the T-line, waffled a little bit, but then started trading positive. Not positive on the day, but positive from where it had opened, which gives us information immediately. It tells us there's buyers since the market opened. So there's buying going on in the NASDAQ while there was the selling in the Dow had kind of leveled out, which told us there might not be any more downside from that point. Having these visual capabilities of analyzing if buying or selling is coming in, despite whether the market was up or down, gives the candlestick investor a great advantage to know when to come out of positions and when to hold on to positions. And once again, we take advantage of our price patterns to be in positions that are going to trade positive even if the market was sluggish all day. Our recent recommendation on ROVI was that it was coming out of a J-hook pattern, or setting up a J-hook pattern after coming out of a fry pan bottom. We know what the aspects of a trend is after a fry pan bottom. It's going to be a very strong price move. We also know that after a very strong price move, we've got the capability of seeing a J-hook pattern set up, and we can see that much easier on a visual basis based upon what type of signals are forming, and especially if it comes back and uses our T-line as support. The T-line is our 8 exponential moving average, which works extremely efficiently for telling you whether a trend is in an uptrend or a downtrend. Very simple. If you see a candlestick buy signal and prices above the T-line, you've got extremely good probabilities that you're in an uptrend. In this case, we know that the price used the T-line as support. We saw candlestick buy signals. We saw a J-hook pattern setting up, and we were able to take advantage of being in the right position at the right time, ready for hopefully the next price move that will be equating this price move right here. These are all elements of candlestick analysis that help an investor put the probabilities in their favor and improves their returns to the upside as well as limits their losses to the downside. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.